stopped. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna do this. We're gonna see if this side, because we know the building is shut off. So we're going to take this hose off. So we know that this is a lower fixture. This is a lot lower than where we're draining over there. We spill a little bit of water, but I don't think they're gonna mind. See if we can do this. This thing is stuck on here. There we go. That's what we needed. Right there. And that's it. That's all we needed. Boom. So the water's no big deal. Look at that. Look how much water that's draining. Sweet.